Next problem. A school student packed equal number of chocolates in 21 baskets. If each basket contained 32 chocolates and 3 chocolates remained with the student, how many chocolates did he or she have? Okay. So what do you mean by this? There were 21 chocolates, 21 baskets, and each basket contained 32 chocolates. So if you have to find out and also 3 chocolates are remaining with that student. Now suppose if you had 5 baskets and each basket contained 2 chocolates. So how will you find out the total number of chocolates? 5 multiplied by 2. Similar logic you will apply over here. 32 multiplied by 21. Now you have to multiply this. Just multiply this 32, 21, 2 under 2 and all this 3 under and then 2 to the 4 and 2 3 is 6. I suggest you don't do all these things. First 21 1 2 the 42, 4 21 3 the 63 plus 4 67 directly, because we are in IMO. We need to be fast. 3 chocolates were remaining also with that student. So 672 plus 3 675. A is the answer.